Spending hours debugging Excel formulas? There's a smarter way, AI-powered data analysis. We've all been there. Managing formulas can feel like solving a math puzzle you didn't sign up for. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Powerdrill AI to complete these work easily. Visit powerdrill.ai, upload your data file. Here I will upload a simple dataset for demonstration, consisting of 2 sheets. After syncing successfully, you can chat with Powerdrill and ask AI to do all these jobs for you. You don't need to input any formulas or mathematical content, just ask questions in natural language. Summing up, taking the average, analyzing the maximum and minimum values. For Powerdrill AI, it can't be any simpler. Want to give Powerdrill some difficulty? That's alright. Let Powerdrill match the total expenditure of different family members' consumption for us and complete it in the expense sheet. When there is a large amount of data, using formulas such as VLOOKUP in Excel can easily lead to errors, while using the powerful Powerdrill does not cause such problems. Now that Powerdrill has completed its task, let's check it together. Perfect. No formulas, no errors, just results. Visit powerdrill.ai to embark on a free journey of data analysis. Don't forget to follow us for more usage tips and case studies. Powerdrill, unlock 100x efficiency.